The shade is a pathetic match. I'm so sorry, I had high expectations. The shade looked so different and it turned out completely another story. Hey my loves, what's up and welcome back to the Trend Diaries. You're watching me Nidhi and we are back with another new makeup launches beauty haul of Amazon, and I'm very excited to try all of the new makeup that I found on Amazon. So let's get testing and let's test out what's new in the market. So from the house of Swiss Beauty, I saw so many new launches, and this one particularly just grabbed my attention. I'll tell you why. Okay, so the very first thing is how cute the packaging is. It is the Swiss Beauty 3-in-1 CC cream. Now, if you know, you know that Indian market do not really have a lot of CC creams which cater deeper tones. So I was excited when I saw this launch and I was like, कितने shades launch किए, कितने shades launch किए, and I think इसमें max 6 shades ही launch किए थे उन्होंने. उसमें से I picked up the deepest one, which was 06, that is caramel beige, and that is how the tube packaging is. Size की बात की जाए तो it literally fits in my palm. It is a small size, but ml wise it is 25 grams. So usually foundation bottles you get 30 grams, 30 ml, while this is like 25. So this is quite travel friendly, easy to use, and you know, you can just like throw it in your purse or even carry it in your denim pockets. So really love the packaging. It is quite sturdy and chotu sa. So that is the packaging. It's a squeezy tube packaging. So let's open it up and see. Okay, 06 doesn't seem like the deepest shade that I think they own. That is the shade 06. I was actually confused with the shade 06 and 05. This seems quite moussey in texture, but the color I think is light for me. Yes, it is light for me. This shade is not gonna work. The shade is not gonna work on my skin tone. A big no. It's quite light. No. Okay, so if you're like NC40 just like me, 06 is definitely not your shade. Actually, I'm confused between 05 and 06 because from the swatches 05 kinda looked deeper, but then I thought maybe 06 number wise is deep, so shayad 06 ही deepest होगा, but it is actually not. Talking about the texture, it is very lightweight, moussey, and it is even blending very easily. You see how smooth the finish is. The coverage is also good, like you can see right away even on my hand, the coverage is actually like very smoothing on the skin, but the shade is a pathetic match for my skin tone. I'm so sorry, I had high expectations. I think 05 shayad match kar jaye. While this also contains SPF 30 and the MRP of the CC cream is 349 rupees. While I'll tell you for how much did I purchase it for. Okay, so I purchased it for 10% discount for 314 rupees, and you can see the product right here. Total of 6 shades. I really hope they come out with deeper shades because this is just not fair. 314 rupees is the price for the Swiss Beauty CC cream. They say it is medium coverage. Definitely it felt so, hydrates and gives natural finish. I feel it gives a very smooth finish. I really like the finish of it. It is like smooth velvet like moussey and non-comedogenic, so even sensitive skin types can use it. But the shade, bro, the shade. So these were all of the shades that they had listed. So 5 and 6 I was confused. 5 looked more of orange, but I think shayad 5 ही लेना चाहिए था. 6 is just not like 6. So okay, to the dip in the shade range, I'm gonna give it a 5 out of 10. Apart from that, we also have new launches from the house of L'Oreal. Now, these are their matte resistance liquid lipsticks, and you know, like, अरे यार ये तो पुराना launch है, but no, they just added nude shades in their collection, and I was like super excited. You know how much Nidhi loves nude lipsticks, and I had to get these. So I have 5 shades from their new collection. Super excited. Like अभी मैंने पहले वाले शेड रेंज में भी शेड्स ऐड किए थे, while now I also have their nude collection here, like 5 shades है उनके nude collection से. So let me know if you want like a detailed video on this. The one that I am wearing right now on my lips is the shade Worth It Medium. It is the shade 635. It comes in a beautiful outer packaging, like so outer color coded packaging है, and very very beautiful shade range. That is the shade Worth It Medium. This is the shade Worth It. Then here is the shade Rose Heat. Then we have Crush Alert. Rose Heat and Crush Alert are on very very similar tones. Rose Heat has like a slight bit of like red to it, while Crush Alert has more of like pink added. Like ये थोड़ा सा coral red tone है, while Crush Alert has more of a pink base to it. And the last shade that I own is First Move, and that is like the deepest one I own from them. So those are the 5 shades that I own from their nude collection from the Matte Resistance liquid lipsticks from L'Oreal. Super excited. Let me know if you want to see a proper lipstick swatch. And review wise, I've always loved these. These are very very long lasting. They have like a matte whipped texture on the lips. You can see it is very smooth, does not smudge, does not transfer. It's very long lasting and even survives meals. Very comfortable, non-sticky, non-tacky, very lightweight, and you would honestly love the feel of these lipsticks on your lips. That's the shade Worth It Medium that I am wearing on my lips right now. It is priced at 999. I would have all of the shades listed in the description box. You can definitely check it out. So on lighter skin tones, definitely Worth It Medium looks more so like nude brown shade, but on my skin tone I am like medium dusky skin tone. On me it is more so of like a pink toned nude and not more of brown. So halka sa brown tone hai, but more of like pink nude on me. We have 2 eyeshadow palettes. First one is from Swiss Beauty. So I saw them launch some new eyeshadow palettes as well, of which I picked this one up, which is known as Swiss Beauty Baytown, and has a beautiful 3D packaging. यहाँ पर ये सब velvet है. This is available in 2 variants. MRP is 829 rupees, wherein it has like a combination of both mattes as well as shimmers. It does come in a cardboard packaging, sturdy and lightweight as well. Inside you do have a mirror, and you also get a brush with which you can apply your shimmer shadows. So with that, let's talk about the shades and the one that I picked. This reminded me of the Anastasia palettes because the placement and the color selection just look so similar, and I personally just gravitated towards this brown toned palette because whenever I travel, like शादी का season हो या कुछ भी हो, these kind of neutral brown tones and golden tones के जो palette होते हैं, I've used them the most because I feel they are the most versatile eyeshadow shades that you should own in your collection, and I felt this would be just so perfect. And ये मैंने उठा लिया. It is available in 2 variants. सबसे पहला तो is this जिसमें brown and golden tones है, which is known as Crush Me, जो कुछ इस तरीके से listed है. That is the shade Crush Me. The second variant is Lover Girl, which has more of like pink mauves 2 in the range. So pink mauves hai and shimmer shades hai golden ke. So these are the 2 variants available, and MRP 829 hai, but it is available right now at 25% discount. For 622 rupees you can grab these. 25% off पे चल रहा है ये on Amazon. I would have the links mentioned in the description box. आप वहाँ से check कर सकते हो. 25% discount मिल रहा है इस palette पर, and it's a very beautiful palette. Let's just swatch it and see. इसमें से मुझे जो colors अच्छे लग रहे हैं ना, I would just like swatch them and see how the pigmentation is. हाथों को तो बहुत smooth लग रहा है. Okay, definitely it is quite smooth. If I have like some space left here. So those are the 3 shades. Nice pigmentation here. Let's try the shimmer shades. So total 4 shimmers है. चारों ही मैंने swatch किए. Let's see. Beautiful golden shimmer. We also have a pink tone, copper है, and last में we also have a brown toned shimmer. Very, very beautiful, the mattes and shimmers. The mattes were super creamy and smooth, while the shimmers have a good reflex to it. So far so good, I'm liking it. Thoda sa just try करते हैं using the Mars blender brush right here. I literally have like nothing on my eyes, कोई base भी नहीं है. Just my natural eyelid coloration on which I am trying the shade to see if it actually pops. While you can see the cool toned shade right away, even without any primer or concealer underneath, the shadow is showing up. Let's try the shade Hugs, which is like a nice champagne gold shade right in the center of my eye. Okay, that's pretty. I'll also use the shade Spank, which was the darker brown shade on the outer V. Now that looks pretty. The reason why I'm liking this palette, because I have like literally no base on my eyes and still the shadows are performing good. So definitely this is gonna travel around with me. So yes, that was the palette and काफी affordable भी था. Apart from this, I also have another eyeshadow palette launched from the House of Faces Canada. It is their Magnet Eyes eyeshadow palette. So इसमें भी बहुत सारे variants available थे, of which I picked this one up, Artisans palette. अंदर से कुछ इस तरीके से bubble wrapped आता है. इसमें you get like 8 eyeshadows. So basically it does come in this kind of fiber packaging. Again, very travel friendly. You can easily travel. कुछ ये साइज है इसका. अब ये वाला जो है, इसमें सारे के सारे shades are shimmer shades. This can be a great companion palette because it has all shimmer shades and no mattes in it. Yeah, if you like just a wash of shimmer on your eyes, like a light wash, you would love this. Let's see the, oh, that was smooth. The reason why I like this palette is for the shades of gold you get here, because festive season is just here and during this time you need palettes जहाँ पर you would get like the perfect tones of gold जो आपके ड्रेस के साथ जाए. कभी मैट गोल्ड चाहिए, कभी कॉपरी गोल्ड चाहिए, कभी ग्रीन गोल्ड सा शेड चाहिए. So shades of gold are really, really important to me especially, and I think this would just cater them all. Now this palette, which is the Artisans from Faces Canada, again was in the affordable range. ये वाला जो है is available at 479 rupees, like 40% discount पर मिल रहा है Amazon पे. So you can definitely try it out if you're looking for good festive palettes. इसमें 4 variants available है ये, जिसमें से मैंने the Artisans लिया था. The yellow one here has more of, you know, earthy yellow tones, warm tones है. Then you also have the purple variant जहाँ पर pops of pink and purple आपको मिलेंगे palette में. This one is the one that we picked here, and the fourth one is the orange variant, which has like warmer tones and earthy tones again. So the orange one also has like gold tones, but साथ साथ थोड़ा terracotta and दो matte shades भी है. So the one I really liked is the orange one, which is the minimalist, and this one which is the Artisans right here. So I feel ये काफी versatile वाले palettes हो गए, and you can like make a good use out of it. And 479 rupees, like a steal price. अभी 500 के नीचे available है, so you can definitely check it out on Amazon. Links नीचे mention होंगे description में, वहाँ से check it out. And lastly, for today's haul video, a new launch from the House of Insight Cosmetics is right here. So this is their cream matte mousse lipsticks, and that is the outer packaging of the lipstick. The MRP is just 170 rupees. This particular lipstick is available in 24 shades to choose from. Honestly, I got confused, and I think मैंने थोड़ी गड़बड़ कर दी लेते वक्त seeing the swatches online, because they are like really deceptive. The shade looked so different and it turned out completely another story. So I would like simply review it on how the quality and the longevity and the texture and everything is of the lipstick, apart from the shade, because I messed up there. These are the 24 beautiful shades that you can choose from. मैंने Firefly लिया, which is in the nude category, but this turned out more so like terracotta orange on me, and so I did not like it. But apart from that, let's talk about it. Firstly, seeing the packaging and everything, this reminded me of the Miss Claire SMLCs. So if you know, Like, I started my videos and my lipstick journeys from the Miss Claire SMLCs, and I loved them. The packaging literally reminds me of them. Same packaging hai, वैसा ही color coded bottom, a black cap, and it also has like a moussey texture. हल्का सा bent इसका wand है. So that's the shade Firefly, which is 12, which is more so like a peach toned terracotta सा color है ये, and this does not look like the shade जो उन्होंने बताया. In the swatch, it looks so different, like pink toned brown shade, but it is completely different in real life. It's quite pale. I think lighter skin tones पर ये ऐसा दिखता होगा, but मुझ पे it is a complete different story. आपके सामने I'll try the shade on my skin tone. I have like no makeup on right now apart from that eyeshadow. You saw it went on like so creamy, so smooth. बहुत ही velvet smooth whipped texture है इसका. तो ये जो lipsticks है, these have a very velvet smooth whipped texture, and it also settles to a complete matte finish. You just need to apply them. They are very pigmented, so you do not need a lot, just like the Miss Claire ones, and it just settles into that smooth velvet matte finish into like 10-15 seconds. Just let it sit, and it would give you that non-transfer lipstick finish. And honestly, it is very comfortable, non-sticky, very lightweight, very easy breezy on the lips, and it also does not exaggerate the fine lines on the lips. I really liked it. The pigmentation is also very good. The formula is good. The scent, I think कुछ तो है, but it is so faint, like इतना मध्यम वाला scent है कि I cannot really make it out like क्या है. It is very minimal. Like, my nerve cells are not working right now in sync to what this scent is, but है एकदम faint है, so it's not gonna hit you up. But anyways, the texture is very smooth. You see, it has almost turned into a matte finish. Non-sticky, does not transfer. I really love the texture of this on the lips. Non-sticky, does not transfer, and you can see the proof right away. It does not transfer. हल्का सा 15-20 seconds इसे लगता है to dry down, depending on the amount that you are applying, but then you would love the effect of these. This just reminds me so much of the Miss Claire SMLCs, and I would have loved it even more अगर मैं अच्छा वाला shade उठा लेती, but sadly this is not the kind of shade I like on my skin tone. So yes, that was the shade 12 Firefly. Let me know if you want me to try more. But I give it a 10 on 10 definitely. The shade is actually very good, and it is also long lasting because इससे पहले मैंने face wash करने से पहले apply किया था and even washed my face. हल्का सा मैंने रब किया था, but still it did not go away. So I think इसे आपको अच्छे से by face micellar water से निकालना पड़ेगा. So longevity is also good of these, and the main reason why I love is how comfortable they are on the lips. So many shades to choose from. Definitely check this one out. I would have their links in the description box. वहाँ से you can check it out. So yes, those were all of the products and new launches that I had to try from Amazon. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. You can find all of their links and shade details mentioned in the description box. वहाँ से आप check कर सकते हो. You can also check out other haul videos as well on my channel. So definitely check it out, and we shall meet soon in the next one. Till then, take care. Namaste and keep trending.